Seawater tastes salty primarily due to the presence of dissolved salts, primarily sodium chloride, along with other minerals and ions. Here's why seawater is salty. 1. Mineral dissolution. Water from rivers and streams carries dissolved minerals from the land into the oceans. These minerals include sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, and many others. Among these, sodium and chloride are the most abundant. When these minerals reach the ocean, they accumulate over millions of years, contributing to the overall salinity of the water. 2. Volcanic activity. Volcanic activity releases minerals from the Earth's crust, which eventually find their way into the oceans. This process contributes to the mineral content in seawater, including the saltiness. 3. Chemical weathering. The erosion of rocks on land due to rain, wind, and other natural forces releases minerals into the water, which eventually flow into the oceans. These minerals increase the salt content of the water. 4. Evaporation and water circulation. The Earth's water cycle plays a crucial role in increasing the saltiness of seawater. When water evaporates from the ocean's surface, it leaves behind the dissolved salts, as salts do not evaporate along with water. The vapor that rises and forms clouds is relatively pure water. When this water falls as precipitation, it can eventually make its way back into the oceans, bringing with it more dissolved minerals. 5. Limited outflow. Unlike freshwater bodies like lakes and rivers, most oceans have limited outlets for water to flow out. The majority of water loss from oceans occurs through evaporation, which leaves the salts behind. This lack of significant outflow allows the salts to accumulate over time, leading to higher salinity levels. 6. Continual accumulation. Over geological timescales, the process of mineral dissolution, volcanic activity, chemical weathering, and evaporation continues to accumulate salts in the ocean. This accumulation has been ongoing for millions of years, resulting in the high salinity levels we observe today. As a result of these processes, the concentration of dissolved salts in seawater, particularly sodium chloride, is relatively high. This high salt concentration gives seawater its distinctive salty taste when compared to freshwater.
Thank you for watching the video. To watch more valuable videos like this, please subscribe the woxiwo channel and press the bell icon. And if there is anything you need to know, tell us. I will certainly provide information about it. Okay. Thanks again.